Samarjeet was a young delivery worker who spent most of his day dining through busy streets. He often met people from different places, but he avoided speaking English because he felt embarrassed. He believed his accent was a problem and that people would not understand him. One afternoon, while waiting for an order, Samarjeet saw a poster that said, "Speak English with confidence, not perfection." Those words stayed in his mind. That same day, he decided to start practicing. Samarjeet chose a simple method. Every night, he read a short English story and summarized it in his own words. He spoke slowly and clearly, without worrying about mistakes. He also practiced common sentences like, "Your order is ready," and "Have a nice day." At first, it felt strange, but soon it became a habit. His vocabulary improved and his fear reduced. He started using English naturally during work. One day, a customer complimented his clear English. That small praise boosted his confidence greatly. Samarjeet realized that English is not about sounding perfect. It is about communicating bravely. With daily practice and simple stories, he turned fear into confidence.